will be starting shortly. This is just a quick sound test. Okay, good afternoon everybody from the UK. Now, it is very wet here. It is very wet. In fact, it's so wet you can probably hear the rain on the office roof. Let me know if you can. I hope that doesn't interrupt your enjoyment of this stream too much, but I want to tell you about a revelation, absolute revelation today. And you know, this YouTube channel brings so much good stuff, so many side benefits that you wouldn't have thought of. And this is why I'm saying that everybody should be doing online content, because you get side benefits that you never would have thought possible. But Mick, who's a viewer of the channel, so thank you for this great comment. Mick left me a great comment, and he's trying to get Excel to speak to him. He's trying to use the speech function in Excel. And I was like, mind blown, mind blown. Excel has a speech function? Are you kidding me? So I've just been messing about with it today, and Mick said in his comment, you know, I'd love to see a tutorial video about it. I'd love to do a tutorial video, Mick, but first I've got to actually learn about it myself. So that's the idea of this stream. We're going to have a play with this speech function, see if we can get it working, see what we can do with it. If it goes well, we're going to take the Excel VBA Advent Calendar. Now, on the YouTube channel, there's a video which is called Excel VBA Advent Calendar, which is from December last year, I think. I've put the link to that video in the chat. I'm going to put it in here in the chat again now. So you can go to that video, download the file. Now, the idea of that Advent Calendar, well, I'll show it to you now. The idea of the Advent Calendar looks something like this. Got the VBA editor open at the moment, but I can click on a cell on a day, for example, day 4, and the Advent Calendar doesn't give us chocolate. Oh, come on, Microsoft, let's get Excel dispensing chocolate. We can't get the chocolate, but we can get song lyrics. I've got song lyrics here. So immediately, can you see the link I saw in my mind? I thought, there's speech. Excel can do speech, and I've got a file with some song lyrics in already. Maybe we can marry those two together and get Excel singing, get Excel speaking the song lyrics. This was my idea anyway. Let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from. As I said, super rainy here in the UK. We've got Jeff in the chat from Belgium. Jeff, welcome. Good to see you as always. Jeff is a big contributor to the chess series, so thank you, Jeff. And we've got Andrew in the chat as well. Andrew, good to have you back. Haven't heard from you for a while, but I have heard you've been in hospital, so welcome back, and I hope you're better. Fantastic to have you back with us. Let's get into the VBA editor. As always, let's try to do something easy first. So I'm going to insert a new module. You know, it's sensible to insert a new module at this point because we're going to be doing some kind of small scale testing. We're going to be doing something separate from the rest of the code. So it's sensible to enter a new module in this case. And we're going to say test speech here. Test underscore speech. Now I've got to try to remember the code, which I believe is, a Mick did give me the code in his comment, so thank you, Mick. It's application.speech.speak, I believe. And then we can hit hello. Right, I've got to make sure, take my headphones off a little bit here. Right, so I believe, let me know, is the sound okay, by the way, guys? Let me know if the sound is good or not. So if we run this code, the computer should say hello. Going to play the code.
Hello.
Okay. Now, I don't know if you heard that on the stream, but the computer did say hello. If I turn up the volume on this computer, yep, play that again.
Hello.
Now, hopefully you could hear that on your stream. So we've managed to get it saying hello. Good. So the question now is, can we do more than this? And let's go ahead and create a new sheet in the file. And let's see if we can get some text from the spreadsheet. Let's see if we can get some text from the spreadsheet. Let's see if we can get Excel speaking some text from the spreadsheet. I'm just going to call this test sheet, and let's say goodbye here. Okay, and then VBA editor, which is here. So let's go for me on the right. Okay, so rather than hello, can we type something in here? So the object, which is the cell, of course. So just range B2. So is Excel now going to speak the word in B2? And I'm discovering this live. This might not work, which will be disappointing, but hopefully it will. Let me know in the chat. Are you working along? Jeff, you working along with us? Andrew, you working along with us? Right, let's play this code, F5.
Goodbye.
Perfect. Okay, which means we can put a button in here now. Developer tab, insert, button. Hold down the Alt key, which is going to line the button up with the grid lines, make it look neat and tidy. And then what macro do we want to run when we click this button? We want the test speech macro to run. Then right click, edit text. Let's say speak. Okay. Oh, okay. Got some kind of error there. What happened there then? Okay. Let's see what happens. Does this still work?
Goodbye.
That works fine. Right click, assign macro, test speech. Yes. Maybe when we trigger it from the button, do we need to say, put the sheet reference in as well? Control S, save the file.
Goodbye.
Okay. Does seem to be working now.
Goodbye.
Okay, cool. So, well, now I can make Excel VBA speak to me. You know, I don't think I need any friends anymore. Jeff says he's watching on TV. Brilliant stuff, Jeff. I am pumped that you're watching the Spreadsheet Code Works on TV.
Hi, Chris.
Okay, lovely. So this is holding up a whole... Jeff, we're going to say hi, Jeff. And Andrew. There we go.
Hi, JDF and Andrew.
Okay. Jeff, Excel thinks you're called JEF.
Hi, Jeff and Andrew.
There we go. Wow. Okay. So this is opening up a world of possibility for me. So what would be cool to do is if we could get Excel speaking these lyrics back to us. Okay. So let's go and grab this button, cut it. Control C, paste, Control V, of course, paste it onto this sheet. Now I think these values are driving drop-down menu, so we'll make sure we won't mess with those. Right. Okay. I think what would be nice is, okay. So let's go to the VBA editor. Let's say we're now on Lyrics Store. Lyrics Store, and let's say D3. So now we're going to get a whole line from a song, and this song, well, let me know in the chat, guys. Jeff, Andrew, do you know what song this is? Very famous Christmas song in the UK anyway. Okay, so I'm hoping it's going to read out this line of code to me.
Baby, if you've got to go away.
It's pretty good. Okay, let's see if we can offset down from that. Put an underscore in to begin the same line of code, then dot offset 10. Okay, so now I'm expecting it to go to this next line, which is D4. Don't think I can take the pain.
Don't think I can take the pain.
Okay, lovely. Okay, so, Seems to be working pretty well. Let's see if we can just concatenate a bit of information together. So let's say the day and the lyric. So it's saying the lyric for day 1 is this. So let's say C3. Okay, and an underscore again. Continue the same line. Okay, and C3 and D3. So now we're taking text from 2 cells. Let's see if Excel can handle that.
Day 1 baby. If you've got to go away.
Very solid. I'm impressed with this function. Very solid. Okay, let's say the... So it says the day 1 lyric is... So now we've got concatenation of text strings and text coming from a cell.
Day 1 is baby if you've got to go away.
Very good. The day 1 lyric, I should say. And lyric is... Brilliant. Control S, save the file. Okay, not sure what happened there. Lyric is... Okay, have I messed up the code there? Looks okay.
The day 1 lyric is baby if you've got to go away.
Okay, good. So, Excel is, well, how would we say, serenading us now with these lyrics. So let me know in the chat. Oh, Andrew, bad news. So sorry to hear that. So really sorry to hear that, Andrew. Well, all I can say is, you know, I hope you'll keep following us on YouTube, and I hope, you know, that's some entertainment, and that, you know, you can keep learning VBA. You know, keep yourself stimulated. Keep pushing ahead with VBA. And it's very, very good to have you with us, Andrew. Let's see. Okay, so what we need to do is, when these macros are running, we're getting all these lyrics. So this text string. Okay, why don't we have another mode? Now it says mode multi. Let's have another mode here. Let's say speech on or off. Control Alt VT, just take the formats. Speak and question mark. Okay, Alt AVV. Let's put a drop down menu in here. Alt and down key, list, tab, source, control page down. And let's just find the source here. Yes, no list here. Okay, so if we select yes here, then we're going to get the advent calendar to speak the lyrics rather than flashing up the message box. If it doesn't say yes here, then it's just going to flash up the message box as usual. Let's see if we can get Excel to do that. Okay, developer. Right, so where is this macro anyway? I'm going to right click here, assign macro. Okay, it's validate day is the name of the macro. Edit. Right, so this is what's happening here. Right, cool, click on shape. So we're going to this click on shape. Macro, click on shape, okay. Right, so this is the concatenation here. Okay, so we just need something at the end here saying so it's I8, is it? I8, yeah. Does not equal yes, then this is happening, else. So here is where we need our speech code. So go back to our little test module here. Back to module 1. Copy paste this in, and then the power of variables here, we've got all of these lyrics kind of stacked up in this variable. So we should be able, if we say lyric underscore store here. Right, okay, so I'm just going to check this. Check this code quickly. So I8 does not equal yes, so let's change this to yes. Now we should get the speech. Okay, right. Let's try it.
Baby, if you've got to go away.
Good.
Baby, if you've got to go away. Don't think I can take the pain. Baby, if you've got to go away. Don't think I can take the pain. Won't you stay another day?
Brilliant.
Baby, if you've got to go away. Don't think I can take the pain. Won't you stay another day? Oh, don't leave me alone like this.
Oh dear. This is brilliant. Right. We've still got the old mode. So if we want the good old text, we can set this to no, and we get our text back. Very good. Well, I'm well impressed with that function. Yeah, the last thing we'll do on the stream is we'll go for day 25. Oh, it's too early. Okay, there's some validation on here. Right. Right, that's pretty cool. But day 14 should work. There we go. So at the end of the stream, to play us out, we'll click on day 14 and then we'll get Excel singing or reading all of these lyrics out to us. Anyway, let me know in the chat what you think. I'm well impressed with this function. And what happens when there's an error, when this function... If we just put in something silly here. See, no, but it handled the errors before, didn't it? So I'll just put a syntax error in there. Yeah, so it handles those errors normally. Interesting. So yeah, it looks very solid to me. Well, let me know in the chat if you want us to do anything else on this stream. But if not, I will play us out. So just some parish notices before then. Tuesday night is Chess Tuesday, hashtag Chess Tuesday in the Skunkworks, so 6 PM UK time. We have the Chess Skunkworks stream. So hopefully Jeff will be tuning in for that, maybe Andrew as well. And then if you want to get involved with properly structured tutorials, Tiger Spreadsheet Solutions channel is the channel you want. We release one new Excel VBA tutorial or Excel VBA related video weekly there. And then also we have the daily video. So on Facebook and Instagram, we do a 60-second daily video every day. Something about Excel, a new tip, or just something I've been thinking about, how to be a better consultant, whatever it might be. And then finally, we have our paid product coming out, which is called Spreadsheets for Humans. Just here, Spreadsheets for Humans. That's hopefully coming out before Christmas, and that's a fully structured Excel course going pretty much from beginner level all the way up to Excel VBA, taught by me, my 10 years or more experience as a consultant, as a teacher, as a YouTuber, trying to distill that all down into a structured course that I can deliver and sell. And that's while I'm delivering it at the moment. Literally been filming today. So that's how you can get more involved with Tiger. No more questions in the chat. I'm going to play us out with day 14. We're going to be serenaded by Excel. I'll see you soon, guys.
Baby, if you've got to go away. Don't think I can take the pain. Won't you stay another day? Oh, don't leave me alone like this. Don't you say it's the final kiss. Oh, won't you stay another day? Don't you know we've come too far now? Just to go and try to throw it all away. Thought I heard you say you love me. That your love was gonna be here to stay. I've only just begun to know you. All I can say is won't you stay just one more day? Baby, if you've got to go away. Don't think I can take the pain.